Let us continue our discussion on the next provision on the premises of establishments.
Yes, engineer. The next rule is 10, 66 and 67, the requirements on window openings and fixed ladders, respectively.
Okay. For Rule 1066, window openings at stair landings, where the opening is more than 12 inches in width and sill is less than 6 feet above the landing, shall be guarded securely by bars, slats, or grills to prevent persons from falling through. For fixed ladders requirements on Rule 1067, 1. All metal parts of fittings of ladders shall be made of steel, wrought iron, malleable cast iron or other materials of equivalent strength. 2. Fixed ladders shall be installed in the following manner. The perpendicular distance from the center line of the rungs to the nearest fixed object on the climbing side of the ladder is at least 35 inches for a pitch of 750 and 30 inches for a pitch of 900. B. The distance from the back of the rungs to the nearest fixed object is at least 6 inches. C. Except in the case of ladders equipped with cages, baskets, or equivalent grades, a clearance of 8 inches from either side of the ladder to a fixed object shall be provided. D. No fixed ladders be installed with a pitch over 900.
We actually have fixed ladders in production area. We have 2 fixed ladders going to the mezzanine area for the loading of raw materials for mixing. We will check on it.
Great. We still have this requirements for fixed ladders on number 3. Fixed ladders used to ascend heights exceeding 9 meters or 30 feet. Shall be provided with landing platform for each 6 meters or 20 feet or a fraction thereof. B. The sections of the ladder shall be staggered. And C. If A or B is not practical, ladders equipped with cages, baskets, or equivalent guards shall be provided.
That is well noted, engineer.
Thanks. Next is Rule 1068, the requirements on overhead walks, runways and platforms. 1. Walks, runways, working platforms or open-sided floors 6.6 feet or more above the floor or ground level, except platforms used for motor or similar equipment, which do not afford standing space for persons, shall be guarded on all open sides by standard railings and tow boards. 2. Runways used for filling tank cars or for oiling purposes may have the railing on one side, omitted if necessary, but the hazards of falling shall be reduced by the use of runways not less than 22 inches in width. And lastly, 3. All runways of platforms constructed over conveyors or machinery shall be guarded on all open sides by standards railings and tow boards.
Okay, engineer. Perhaps we can have a short break?
Of course. Let us continue later. Thanks everyone.